Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing okay. I just want to make a few announcements. The first one being that I am going to be extending the attendance photo for Instagram until Friday afternoon. Okay? So please have your photo as well as a small caption and a tag for this class uploaded by Friday afternoon. Secondly, I will be holding office hours during class on Mondays. That will be from 11:30 until 12. Third, when you see Stanley, okay, Stanley here posted on Instagram, that means that there will be a YouTube video lecture in the description below that you can click on. And Stanley will indicate that maybe I'm going to show a few slides or that there will be a video link at the bottom where you can watch some of the subjects for the day. I'm setting up a few guest Instagram live videos for people to come and show their craft. The first one will be on April the 9th. Okay, so that is going to be in a week. Actually, this person has just texted me that they're going to be changing it to April the 20th. Okay, so April the 20th from 11:30 to 12:30, we're going to be doing an Instagram live with an artist showing her craft. Finally, I want to let people know that there's lots of ways they can contact me. Okay, and one of those is also the email address and number at the bottom of my email and contact information where you can get a hold of me immediately. Okay, you all are doing very well, and I am very happy to still be here. If anyone has any questions about these issues, or if you have an issue getting your Instagram up, please text me right away and maybe we can do a phone call or a video chat. All right, so today Stanley is going to be making an appearance and he will be linking 2 short videos below the Instagram post to demonstrate how folklore plays a role in bringing us comfort. Okay, how when we visualize comfort, we often visualize certain types of supernatural beings that help us through the tough times, right? They're not very long. The longest, I believe, is about 6.5 minutes. But if you pay a little bit of a close attention to them as well as look at the comments below, you can see that people have various ideas about how folklore fits into these big scenarios, okay? I hope you all have a wonderful day, and Stanley and myself will be seeing you in the future, okay? For those of you who would like, I will be doing an Instagram Live on Wednesdays from 11:30 to 11:45. That's only if people would like me to go on Instagram Live so they can ask questions or maybe give feedback, okay? Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all later.